Section 1. Tune in and cash out. Making money by listening to music. Did you know you can earn money just by listening to music? No joke. People worldwide are turning their passion for music into side hustles and even full-time incomes. Imagine getting paid for something you already do every day. No special skills are needed, just your phone and a good pair of headphones. This isn't about becoming a musician or DJ, although that's cool too. This is about tapping into the power of the internet and the booming music industry. Companies and artists constantly seek feedback on new songs, jingles, and background music. That's where you come in. By signing up on certain platforms, you can listen to music and provide your honest opinions. Some platforms pay you for every song you review, while others offer rewards and gift cards. It's a win-win. You discover new artists and get paid for your time. Ready to find out how? Let's dive into the world of online platforms that pay you to listen to music. Get ready to turn up the volume on your earnings. Section 2. Beyond streaming platforms that pay you to listen. Gone are the days when Spotify and Apple Music were your only options. A whole new wave of platforms wants to pay you for your musical ear. One such platform is Slice the Pie, a website connecting music lovers with artists seeking feedback. Another popular option is Music'sRay, a platform that allows you to listen to new music and earn rewards for your reviews. If you're into discovering independent artists and bands, this is the place for you. You'll be directly supporting their musical journey while earning some extra cash. For those who enjoy reviewing music, Research.fm offers opportunities to participate in paid surveys and studies focused on music preferences. Your feedback helps shape the future of the music industry. It's a great way to voice your opinion and get paid for it. These are just a few examples of the platforms available. With a little research, you can find the perfect fit for your musical taste and earning goals. Remember, the more platforms you join, the more opportunities you have to earn. Section 3. Real people, real money, success stories in music listening. Don't just take our word for it, real people are making real money listening to music online. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom from Texas, earns an extra $50 to $100 per week by reviewing songs on Slice the Pie during her free time. That's enough to cover her weekly grocery bill. John, a college student from New York, uses Music'sRay to discover new artists and fund his music festival trips. By listening to and reviewing a few songs each day, he accumulates enough rewards to cover his festival tickets and even some spending money. These are just two examples of the many success stories out there. People from all walks of life are using these platforms to supplement their income and pursue their passions. With dedication and a love for music, you can achieve similar results. Remember, these platforms offer a flexible way to earn money on your own terms. Whether you have a few spare minutes or a few hours to spare, you can fit music listening into your schedule and start earning. Section 4. Boost your earnings, tips and tricks for music lovers. Ready to maximize your earning potential? Here are a few tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your music listening journey. First, consistency is key. The more you listen and review, the more money you can make. Set aside some time each day, even just 30 minutes, to dedicate to your music listening hustle. Second, pay attention to detail. When writing reviews, be thorough and articulate. Provide constructive feedback, highlighting what you liked and disliked about the music. Detailed reviews are often rewarded with higher payouts. Third, explore different genres. Don't limit yourself to your favorite type of music. Branch out and listen to genres you might not usually consider. This will expose you to a wider range of earning opportunities and potentially introduce you to new musical favorites. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Earning a significant income takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep listening, keep reviewing, and the earnings will follow. Section 5. How much can you earn? Exploring the potential. The earning potential in the music listening world varies depending on several factors. The platform you choose, the time you invest, and the quality of your reviews all play a role. Some platforms pay a few cents per song review, while others offer higher payouts for in-depth analysis and feedback. On average, you can expect to earn anywhere from $5 to $20 per hour listening to and reviewing music. While this may not replace a full-time income, it can provide a significant supplementary stream of revenue. Imagine earning an extra $100 to $400 per month by simply listening to music. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to maximizing your earnings. By dedicating a set amount of time each day or week, you can steadily increase your income and reach your financial goals. The more you listen, the more you earn. So how much can you earn? The answer is up to you. With dedication, a passion for music, and the right platforms, the earning potential is limitless. It's time to turn up the volume on your financial freedom. Section 6. Ready to rock your wallet? Take the first step today. Are you ready to start earning money doing something you love? It's easier than you think. Begin by researching the platforms mentioned earlier and find one that aligns with your musical taste and earning goals. Sign up and create your profile, highlighting your musical preferences and experience. Once you're all set up, start listening. Explore new artists, genres, and songs. Provide your honest opinions and write detailed reviews. Remember, your feedback is valuable and helps shape the future of the music industry. Don't be afraid to experiment with different platforms and find what works best for you. Some people prefer short reviews, while others enjoy writing in-depth analyses. The key is to find a platform and method that you enjoy and that fits your lifestyle. Joining the world of paid music listening is an exciting opportunity to turn your passion into profit. With a little effort and a love for music, you can start earning money doing something you genuinely enjoy. So, what are you waiting for? Turn up the volume, tune in, and start cashing in on the power of music.